feeling stuck and wanting to start a new life? What if I say by connecting spiritually to the universe, you can attract anything and become anyone what you want and who you wish to be? Do you find all these manifesting techniques long and a lot to grasp on? Or do you feel no matter what you do, you do not understand how to follow all these steps and techniques? Do you want peace and live your desired life, but don't know how? Well, get ready to uncover the most potent manifestation technique that's practically foolproof. If you're ready to harness the power, follow these just 3 simple words to make your dreams come true. It may sound impossible at first, but I will teach you how to manifest only by using these techniques. You can thank me later. Anyways, without any delay, let's get going. Manifestation is one of the most powerful techniques. However, to manifest anything in life is not just a joke, and if not done correctly and properly, it does not work like said. So, make sure that you follow each and every step that has been said and believe in the power of the universe. Believe in the power of God. You may say there is no such thing as a God or religious energy. Well, in that case, I can only say that when we talk about manifestation or visualization, we are not just talking about the energy of God, the divine mass, but rather it's about the energy you have within, the energy that you carry and use to connect to the universal energy. The whole universe, everything in this universe emits or radiates different vibrations and frequencies. And manifesting means radiating and tuning the same amounts of vibrations and frequencies to attract the reality that is presented in the universe. If you would like to know the techniques on how to use the law of vibrations to manifest, you may want to watch the video on the law of vibration. I will put the link down in the description below. But today, I am about to share this amazingly simple technique that will help you manifest just by using these 3 simple and easy steps. If you are among those who want to find a short way to reach the divine power of manifestation and visualization that does not require much effort, no vision boards, no script, or surprisingly no visualization is necessary for you to manifest. And this video is for you folks who do not have time to follow all those techniques, separating your time for manifestation. See, we all deserve happiness. We all deserve money, success, and abundance in life. And since we deserve all those things in life, don't you think that every desired reality should come easy to us? We should be able to attract everything we desire easily, since we deserve everything. Every bit of success and happiness is like those few people in the world. Before learning about these simple yet powerful methods, I would love to introduce you to the idea of self-concept. We as people often believe more in the things that we are not, rather than just believing what we could be. As much as we put our thoughts into not believing we can achieve or get wealthy and successful in life, is as easy as just believing in all of those things. What I am trying to say is that even before trying some of the things, we make a mindset that we cannot achieve what we have thought, so it's not worth trying. And we end up not having or receiving the things that could have changed our life. Instead of thinking of not getting that promotion, we could think and be optimistic for the future and think that we might get the promotion. Although you may not believe that you may get a promotion, the energy you radiate on not believing is equal to the energy that you radiate on believing. Change your self-concept and always choose your beliefs. Beliefs that will make you happy and empowering. If you can believe either of 2 things, then why not believe on the good side of it? One of the best ways to manifest anything in life is to believe that you deserve happiness and success in life. Believe that you are worthy of everything and anything that the universe can provide to you, and you are ready to receive everything the universe grants to you. The energy that is in the universe, that has been running through different names like God, quantum physics, or divine energy, whatever name goes by, addressed to that higher energy. You are not going to beg the universe, or you are not pleading, crying for the things you want and deserve. Just using these simple techniques Repeating it every night at least 3 times, you would be able to manifest things and the life you desire. Turn your desire into reality. The first thing to show is gratitude. Be thankful for that higher energy. Say, I am thankful for the higher self that this matter is resolved. You may think, what is the matter? Well, that matter could be anything. You are going to fill that matter with your desire. It could be anything. A relationship or a job promotion. It could be money. Anything you want or your desires are. See, many times we make the mistake of trying to attract our future living in the past, or let's say living in the present as well. Just like while driving we are taught to look where we want to go, in the same way, while manifesting, we should look at where we want to go in life and what we want to become. After finding where we want to be in life, we can have a structure of who we want to become and what kind of life we want to live. Imagine yourself as that person once you have decided what you want and where you want to go. A wealthy individual who recently received a promotion. A person who has plenty of money. A prosperous and abundant individual. We dwell in the future self when we express thankfulness by stating, I am thankful for the higher self that this matter is resolved. We start to appreciate who we are, even though we haven't changed into them. It aids in reality attraction, the precise reality for which we are grateful. Through the use of this straightforward technique, we remove the obstruction in front of us. We work with the situation we are in right now. We are in the present and live in the future while showing gratitude. Another important thing is that we attract what we are and not what we want to be. The law of attraction tells us we attract what we think. We attract what we are. So when we show gratitude in advance, we show gratitude by being that person, being our future self, and we emit the vibrations, energy of our future self attracting and becoming the person we wish to become, attracting the amount of money that we have always desired. Be thankful for the money you have. You are a rich and wealthy person. Act like one. Thank the divine power, the divine energy that you are already rich and prosper. Be specific about what you are showing gratitude for. Remember, you are connecting the higher power to the higher self using this technique. Be precise about what you want in life. Shape your life. You are the creator and the power lies within you. You believe who you are and you become who you want to be. Always make a decision to be the person you want to be. If you want to get promoted as a CEO, think like a CEO. Act like a CEO. Become the future self and make your life choices. I am thankful for the higher self that this matter is resolved. Use this powerful phrase every night. Make your subconscious believe that everything you desire are real. Everything is beautiful and real. When we make our subconscious believe that we are successful or we have money, when we show gratitude, it starts to believe everything is true and real. And the next day you start with a new state of consciousness. When we connect to the universe through our consciousness and subconsciousness, we attract the new us, the new you who is happy, rich, successful, and abundant. We draw in what matches us. We bring in what we fill our minds with. Therefore, if you want to focus on something, make it positive and constructive. Keep a grateful attitude for your own self and for the universe.